Good day, pretty queens. So welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for a while. Happy New Year to everyone. I missed the New Year posting, but if you follow me on social media, you saw me say Happy New Year, and some of you said Happy New Year back. So I really appreciate that. This year, I'm going to start out with just a little chat right quick, but this year I'm going to focus more on this channel when it comes to my channel goals. I'm going to focus more on doing unboxings, reviews, and first impression videos, because a lot of my views come from those type of videos. A lot of you like to see me review handbags, makeup brushes, things like that. So I'm going to stick with doing that because that seems to be what you guys like to see. Because that is like the most views and the most likes. So I'm going to stick with doing that. I don't want to post things that I'm only passionate about. If it's a channel, so it's for you guys. So I want to post things that you guys enjoy seeing. So with that being said, starting out, we're going to start out with this review, or this first impressions. Is not a review. I just got this not too long ago. So I haven't had it long enough to review it, but this is the first impressions. Today is the first day I wore this, so I'm going to tell you guys what I like or what I don't like about it. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunner Lip Paint in Uninvited Unveil. Uninvited, so this is what the packaging looks like. I'm sure you guys are familiar with Fenty Cosmetics. So she has all kinds of things. I'm not even going to go over everything that she has because I don't have those things in this video. But one of the things that she has is a black liquid lipstick. I have been looking for a liquid lipstick that's in black for a while. I have a lipstick in black, but I've been looking for a liquid lipstick. And this was recommended, and this was also a gift. And I forgot that she had a liquid lipstick, but so this is Uninvited, and this is what the packaging looks like. The packaging is so cute and bougie to me. Like, it looks like a nail polish. You wouldn't think this was a lipstick if you didn't, you know, if you just saw it like laying around. You would think it was like a nail polish. It kind of reminds me of the Louis Vuitton nail polishes, because this is what they look like. So I love the packaging. Another thing that I love about it is the applicator. It's not like those like dofa applicators that you get. It actually is like a nail polish. Like, it reminds me of a nail polish applicator. And it really helps with lining your lips. You could line your lips. I have it on today, obviously. You could line your lips with a black liner, but you do not have to. I did not line my lips with a black liner. The bad thing about black, and it has nothing to do with her product particularly, this is just any dark lipstick. If you wear dark lips, you know this, is that you really have to line them. It's so hard, and I try to get mine as perfect as possible, but I don't fret myself if it's not perfect, because hey, it's dark. You're gonna talk. It's gonna be moving around your lips anyway. There's nowhere it's gonna be like completely perfect. Even if you use a lip brush, even if you do the whole concealer trick, like as you talk and go throughout the day or the night or whatever, it's gonna be moving. Even as a liquid lipstick, it's gonna move less as a liquid lipstick, but it's going to definitely be moving around, and it's not gonna be perfect. So I don't even like beat myself up about that. I just try to get it as perfectly as I can get it, and just go on from there. Make sure that I have the outline, the out part of my lips, something on it, whether it be foundation, whether it be concealer, whatever works is what I just try to do the best that I can. I don't even fret myself about it, because it's almost impossible. In my mind, it is kind of impossible, but nevertheless, I love dark lips, especially a black. Even though I'm dark skinned or darker complexion, I don't know, I just love black on me. I love white on me as well, hence why I got white and black on today. But I'm going to go through what I like about it. I do like that you can barely feel it. Like, even now, if I didn't put this on my lips, I wouldn't know that I had this on my lips. I do like that. It's definitely, you cannot feel it. That's a plus. So that's one. Number two, the thing that I like about it is that it is not drying. a lot of liquid lipsticks are drying. This is not drying. Like, my lips does not feel like they're cracking on the inside, which sometimes they do with certain liquid lipsticks. I can't. They feel moisturized. I love that. What I don't like about it, you do have to layer this. One layer does not do. You have to put about, I put 3 layers on because I wanted that vivid black. So I guess it depends. I still would put more than one because one is sheer, you can see through to your lips, and with black you want to see either all black or nothing. In my personal opinion, if I'm wearing black anywhere, I don't want it to be an off black, a grayish black. I want it to be black, black, black. So I put about 3 to 4 layers of this on. So that means you can use the product faster, and that means I'm going to use it faster, and Fenty is not cheap. So that's the thing that I don't like about it, is that it is kind of sheer, but maybe that's because of the formula, because it is a moisturizing formula. It's not a drying formula. If it was thicker, it might be more drying and you would have to put less. So with anything, there are pros and cons. Like if they made it more thicker consistency, it would probably dry your lips out more. But the fact that you can put on 3 or 4 layers and it still doesn't dry is a good thing. So I really don't mind. Like, I honestly would buy this again. So, or not again because I didn't buy it this time, but I would buy it for future references. So, my 5 out of 10. I don't know if I should do 5 out of 10 or 5 stars. I would give this a 4.5 stars, only because the fact that you have to put a lot of it on. But everything else I like. I like the color. I like the application that it actually has for you to apply it. I like the packaging. I just don't like that you have to put on more than 1 layer. But other than that, I love this product. If you guys have not tried the Fenty line, I don't know about anything else. But this is a liquid lipstick, and she has plenty of liquid lipsticks that I'm going to try. I want the red one, and then there's another one that I want. I can't remember all of the names. But go try out the Fenty liquid lip line, line. I was right. Go try that out because I'm pretty sure if this one is pretty good, then the other ones are pretty good as well. And just go ahead on and spend the money. I don't think they're that expensive. I think they're like between $30 to $40. I don't think they're that expensive, but either way, they're worth it in my opinion. Hence this, because if you can't get a black right, or if you do get a black right in your liquid lipsticks and you have other colors, I feel like you probably got all the other colors right. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of hard to get a black right perfect. So this is not perfect, but it's pretty good in my book. So 4 out of 5 stars, I would give it a 4.5. And I told you guys the reason why, because of the layering. But other than that, I love it. It feels comfortable. I love the color. I love the application. It's just, it's good. It's a great product. So thank you guys for checking out this review. Make sure you rate it or thumbs up for me and share it if you enjoyed it. And I will be back with more reviews, unboxings. I'm going to stick to, like I said, reviews, unboxings, first impressions, outfit of the days, hauls, those type of things on my channel. Every now and then I'll do my favorite beauty products, but I'm not going to be doing any of my Ipsy unboxings. I'm not going to be doing like the little off things that I've been doing. I'm going to stick to the things that I just named. So if you guys love that, thumbs up. Make sure you comment and let me know what you want to see, if there's anything particular you want to see. I thank you guys for the love and the support. Check out all of the brands that I am affiliated with, and the codes and discounts and everything is below. Thank you guys so much for checking me out. I appreciate the love and the support, and I will see you in my next video.